Find out there, so me say get the pago, get the pago, get the party more, get the pago, Germany pago, get the pago. See that day where we get shy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a twist out tutorial, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this very beautiful twist out. Twist out is always like a go-to hairstyle because everybody can do it. You just two strand twist your hair. If you can do the flat twist, then that's fine. I still up to this day cannot do a flat twist, so I just do the twist out, and I always love the way the results turn out. You guys can see the definitions are insane, and I decided to do this style. I just don't like the twist out to be standing and just be there, so I like to do like a style, you know, like a taper style with it, and that's what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from it. If you do, please don't forget to support by liking, subscribing, and also sharing this video. And now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna start by mixing my water with my leave-in conditioner and also with my castor oil. I just think this way it's going to be easier for me to just spray and then do what I have to do. And if I sound different, because I have a cold, so please try to ignore my voice. So I've sectioned my hair into 4 equal parts to make it easier for me to work with. I'll be using the waterline gel. I just recently bought the gel and I've been loving this gel, like seriously. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the mixture on my hair. Afterwards, I'll take a little bit of the gel and apply on my hair. Then I'll split my hair into 2 and then I'll twist. And a quick tip, when you're twisting, try as much as you can to twist very tight, like as tight as you possibly can. Then when I get to the end, I just, curl, the tip of my hair, just kind of trying to seal the twist so that it does not unravel. So that's just what I'm gonna keep doing. It's pretty easy.
All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So, baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me now. My family, we about to go up, we about to go one. Know you like my family, they know you better be at this party. They know my family, come on. I can take it anywhere, so call me back. They know you and me now. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So, baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I've had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found. 'Cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know. I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place.
So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and go to bed with it. So this is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. As you guys can see, it's absolutely dry and the twists are looking very good. So I'm gonna apply my castor oil on my palm as I unravel the twist, just to avoid any kind of freeze. So right here, I'm just gonna start unraveling the twist.
Everybody's looking at me, 'cause you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me not my family. We about to go up. We about to throw one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me ride. Baby, won't you go? Can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere you.
So now I'm done unraveling the twist. As you guys can see, the color definitions are amazing. They're just popping like crazy. So right here, I'm gonna try to lift the hair up just to make it, to give it a more fuller look. At the same time, I decided to still go further to unravel more of the twists.
Gotta be in love. I've had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found. 'Cause we know this.
So now I'm gonna use my comb and I'm gonna start lifting the root of the hair up. So if you know me, anytime I do my twist out, I like to style it in like a tapered kind of look. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Try to use a pin to secure both sides of the hair, just to kind of give it a more of a tapered look, because I absolutely love the style. So that's just what I decided to do for it, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Sit down, celebrate this love, baby. Why don't we Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this very beautiful natural hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So you guys have been requesting that I try more hairstyles with my natural hair without adding any extensions. So this is one of the hairstyles that actually came to mind. I really love this hairstyle because it's so easy to do. You can always, you know, put your natural hair in a bun like this, in a puff, but you can also just, you know, do this wash and go kind of finger coiling thing right here to give it this you know, this wash and go look, you know, or you can just leave it in a puff, you know, but I just decided to do it this way, and I really love the way it turned out, and